A question that I get from young clients all the time is, how much money do I need to start investing and where do I start? It can seem like a daunting task to start saving for your retirement, but trust me, the sooner you start, the better off you will be in the future. We can open up retirement accounts at our firm with as little as $50 a month. I don't care how old you are or how much money you make, we all easily waste at least $50 a month. If you were to invest $50 each month and every month for 40 years and average an 8% return, you would end up with just over $175,000 at the end of that time. That is not a small amount of money by any means. Not impressed? Well, then up that $50 to $500 and do that same thing for 40 years. What you will find is that you would have saved over $1.7 million in that account if you would have averaged 8% over that entire time. Hopefully, that number impresses you a little bit. No matter how old you are or what your income is, you should be contributing something for your retirement. If you're having trouble finding $50 a month, just go out to eat 1 to 2 times less per month and you'll easily have $50. Problem solved. Now, where do you put the money? I usually open up Roth IRA accounts for clients when they are first starting out to invest for retirement. You do not get a tax deduction today for the money that you put into these accounts, but when you take a qualified withdrawal from the accounts, you don't pay taxes on it either. If you need help starting to save for your retirement, please feel free to reach out to me. I enjoy educating investors of all ages about the importance of saving for your future. And remember, saving something is better than saving nothing.